Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Mentaus namru sasisen ke Kedis Corner Secondary School. Kalau yo ban pelong biang ya kerensan ban penpau ya kesap kepong joki kena jogane ke skol. Ha ka basan dori kiriam ki ben bar ki jingta jingpen pen bahabreu. Ya kani kerensan ke blatep kum ke lamot 2018. La pelong ha ka lai potrek ubna jelio balala. Ha ka balai shimenta ki kena jogane ke skol. Kibaran ke jing sultanan hakani ke benta bat ke Jacob kalong hapdang ki saut likikan hon ya ke jing Jacob lapia hakisan benta hak ke Jekon hak ke benta ke beningkong ni ke first round kadai ke Jacob hak ke basan dor kiriam ki ben bakan top ya ke Jansem bat kiwi kiriam hak ke second round kadai ke jing perwandor yu usnyo bat ke jing ta jing pin ya ke dor khman hak ke third round kadai hak ke basna ya ke jing dang ki bobon jaj da ke baponor kam da ki tiar ki balakantan hak ke fourth round kadai ke jing Jacob drodor haka mat jung ki breu bat haka fifth round pan kadai haka basna yek jing sna ki babon jan da ka bapunan kam da ki tiar kitar ki bala kentan ki bala temu ban brat no kan top ru ki jan phong ki bala rem haka ni ka sngi lai dan kat ru ka principal jung ni ka skol ikong S walang u headmaster u ba Brian walang bat kirang ba ki bala pendap yek jing puli na ka ni ka skol hakis nem ki bala lai ya ka ni ki Jacob la bishar da ki lai ngot ki no bishar bakan top yu gari walang u Daniel CM bat kong Nazrin Kharuban bat hakabak haddo pan hakibabon hi ki Jacob kibabon ki khna ki balajab ki daina ka kanhon jong ka Gandhi House.
By Boris. By Shining Summer. He is a cyborg. Designed by Arkin Dongri. Viratai is the Wolverine. I guess you all know him. And this is designed by Guru Sakyat Miyare. Let us all give a round of applause. Hands and wood. Newspaper foil, jute bag, old shirt, hardcoat cover. Here, old chart paper, newspaper, old rice sack. Make this out of sack, buttons, and plastic tablecloth. designed by Nina Holt-Pille. She had used plastic sack and old cargo vans. Just number 2 was Esther Van. Bigger round of applauses are in order. They are all for. Come on. Come on, keep the applause coming. Keep it coming.
catch that trophy with us. Teacher,
And here are the teachers from Gandhi House.